Today, we delve into Attentive's AutoMeasure platform to explore two new features: creating custom features and splitting optional features, and switching between imperial and metric systems for measurements. Let's begin. First, navigate to the Settings tab and click on Takeoff. On the right side of the page, you'll find the option to switch between imperial and metric systems. Select your preferred system to save your changes. In addition, you can opt to receive takeoff completion emails for your entire team. This means you'll receive emails not just for your own completed properties takeoffs, but for your entire teams as well. Simply switch this button on. Now, let's move on to creating custom features. Click on Custom Feature and create a new feature. For instance, we'll create a feature called Lake. This is a surface feature, which is already selected. Next, select the takeoff report type in which you want this feature to be included. In this case, it's landscaping plus snow. You can also adjust the opacity of the feature. I will change the color of the feature to blue, considering it represents a lake. Adjusting the opacity of the feature will affect how it appears in the takeoff. Note that these custom features are only for annotation purposes on the takeoff. Attentive will not measure these custom features. You can also select optional features on the takeoff settings page or directly within the measurement itself. Click on Optional Features. For example, if you want to split the lawn by mowing equipment size, click on Split Lawn by Equipment. Check the specifications and click on Save. Once you save, the optional feature of splitting the lawn by equipment size will be reflected in your takeoff. That concludes today's tutorial. Thank you.